In the fall of 1965, Royal Industries' Thomsen division startled the concrete pumping industry with the introduction of the world's first concrete pump equipped with a boom conveying system. Thomsen's 60-foot boom made possible the precise and efficient placement of concrete in walls, columns, and large slab pours without damage to forms or steel. So obvious were the merits of this concept that in a very short time, contractors all over the world were demanding that concrete pump with the boom. As proof of Thomsen's continuing leadership in this field, here is the Mobilcrete 740, the most advanced of concrete pumps on the market today. A pump, in fact, that has virtually everything. This is the control center of the pump. Three relays and the throttle linkage assembly. Just about the absolute in simplicity. The hydraulic oil cooler. Cooling air is drawn over the oil radiator by fan. Utility lamps for night work. The rear view of our giant half-yard hopper. The two reversing valves that cycle the pump. A 3/4 inch valve to reverse the flapper blade. A 1 1/4 inch valve reverses the concrete piston stroke. The gauge on the right indicates pumping pressure, while the gauge on the left indicates the oil pressure in the boom circuit. The transition section from the flapper valve to the boom is hinged and easily opened for quick cleanout. Hydraulically powered outriggers are extended to stabilize the pumping platform. Axle spring ties assist in the stabilization. The pump's remote control box is located at the end of a 100-foot control cable. This switch will open and close the boom. Open. And now close. The up-down motion of the boom is controlled with this switch. The stinger section is moved in and out. Out, and now in. The boom is moved horizontally, left to right, and right to left with this switch. Proper use of this combination of switches gives the pump operator precise and complete control over this 60-foot mechanical arm. Let's go out where it counts, on the job. Here we see a graphic example of the mobile in the word Mobilecrete as we speed down one of Los Angeles' busy freeways. The job site today is the Los Angeles International Airport, where work is being done on the new North Runway. Our Mobilecrete 740 passes its older brother, the 640. This is the model that made concrete pumps a tool of the trade. One man opens the folding boom on the 740, and even in this confined area, it takes only moments to open the boom and place the discharge end over the point of pour. Here is a great combination. The Thomsen 740 working hand in hand with a bridge deck machine to cut paving time in half on this freeway project. Where mobility really counts. On this job, the pump is moved with concrete still in the boom system from one part of the site to the other, quickly and easily. Even so versatile is the folding boom that it was still only necessary to move the pump once on this 700-yard pour. This is the kind of project every pumper dreams about. Lots of concrete and a fairly high slump. Now we see ready-mix concrete placed pneumatically. Low slump this time, proof that the Thomsen pump can pump a mix with a 1-inch slump as easily as a mix with an 8-inch slump.